everyone, this is May from Campus LED Company. Today, I'd like to introduce our high-end full aluminum ground support structure for rental LED display business. Behind me, we installed our RX series outdoor rental LED display with our ground support structure. There are 9 panels in width and 5 panels in height, so its dimension is about 11 square meters. And next, let's move to the back side and I will introduce the details. Okay, please see here. This is the leveling beam. Panels can stand on the leveling beam when you do the installation, so it will be very convenient. And this is the base. Yeah, it is the base. It is connected with the leveling beam, and the base is used to keep the balance of the whole ground support structure. At the bottom, you see at the bottom, there are many supporting legs. The height of the supporting legs can be adjusted, so when the ground is not flat, you can adjust the height of the supporting leg to reach a good flatness. And this is the ladder tube, and this is the supporting bar. For the ladder tube structure and the supporting leg, you can step on them and climb without any tool. I will show you. You see? Yeah, you can climb without any tool. It will be very convenient. But one point you just to pay attention. For this kind of supporting bar, it is fixed with the side tube. Yeah, with the side tube, this kind of supporting bar, you cannot step on it. Yeah, please pay attention. And this, it is a clamp. Clamp is used to lock the panels with each other, you see. And when you do the installation for this clamp, some points you need to pay attention. For the horizontal direction, you see. For the horizontal direction, when you do the installation, the clamp should be connected with this ladder tube structure, and you need to install the clamps from the bottom to the top. And you need to lock the panels at the bottom, and then you can establish a stable foundation of the whole ground support structure. And for the vertical direction, the clamp should be installed per every other meter, you see. And for the panels that are not locked by the clamp, you see, you need to use this connecting plate and the screws to fix the 4 panels with each other, and we will provide all these accessories. By the way, you see, this is a clamp. Yeah, this is a clamp. Its length can be adjusted. I will show you. You see? So when you do the installation, you can adjust the length of the clamp to catch the panels very easily. You see? In this way, sorry. You see? So next, we will show you the installation process. Our engineer will show you. Let's move to next place. Firstly, I will introduce the accessories that will included in our ground support structure. Okay? This one is the base. Yeah, this is the base. This is the leveling beam. This is the clamp. This is the joint. And this is the bolt. This is the connecting bar. And this is the latch. And this is the small tool to lock this connecting bar. And this is the supporting bar. Yeah, this is the supporting bar. And next, our engineer Mike will show you the installation process. Okay, Mike? Yeah. When you do the installation, please pay attention. You need to wear the safety helmet and the gloves. Okay? This is a leveling beam. The first step is to install this leveling beam. When you notice these two leveling beams are not flat, please adjust the supporting leg. Yeah, the height of the supporting leg is adjustable. And then use this connecting bar to insert inside. Align two leveling beams with each other. And then use this supporting leg. This is another kind of supporting leg. It is used to support at the bottom. In case the height of the supporting leg is not enough, you can pillow something at the bottom and to make sure the supporting leg can support the leveling beam well. Yeah, this is very important. Then use this small tool to lock the connecting bar. After lock the connecting bar, the leveling beam will be flat. And another side, same operation. So now the first step is finished. Okay? When you install the leveling beam, one point you need to pay attention. For this supporting leg, when you rotate it clockwise, clockwise, it can make the supporting leg higher. And when you rotate it anti-clockwise, the supporting leg will be lower. Yeah, please pay attention. Okay. Okay, next we will show you the second step. Please pay attention, this is the location pin. Yeah, it is used to align the panel with the leveling beam well. Yeah. This step is to put the first line panels on the leveling beam. Fasten the left and right locks. When you install the first line panels, please make sure someone will support the panels and protect the panels from falling down. This is very important. Yeah. After you install the first line panels, please check whether any panels is hanging in the air. Like this, these two panels are hanging in the air, so it means the two panels didn't touch the leveling beam, and in this way you need this supporting leg to support at the bottom and to make sure the two panels can touch the leveling beam. You can adjust the height of the supporting leg. Yeah. And please pay attention. The surface of air should be at the same surface of this leveling beam. Yeah, they should be at the same surface.
一排一定要检查，每个上面都得检查。
Yeah, please check the panels carefully. And also, for this case, if you have adjusted the height of the supporting leg and the panels still cannot touch the leveling beam, in this way, you can insert the connecting plate between the panels and the leveling beam, and then make sure the panels can touch the leveling beam well. You can use the spanner to adjust the height of the supporting leg. After the first line's panels are installed and adjusted, please, next step is to check whether some supporting legs are hanging in the air. Like this one, this support leg is hanging in the air. At this time, you need to adjust the height of the supporting leg to make sure the supporting leg can touch the ground. And then tighten the screw. This is very necessary. There are two screws. The bottom screw is used to adjust the height of the supporting leg, and the upper screw is used to tighten the supporting leg. Okay. Next step is to fix the base with the leveling beam together. Now you see the base and the leveling beam are not at the same surface, so we need to adjust the height of the base. Through adjust the height of the supporting leg. Then align the base with the leveling beam. Yeah, please notice every supporting leg should touch the ground. Then tighten the screw. This is a joint and it is used to connect the base with the leveling beam together. And please notice the two holes size are different. The bigger hole should be aligned with the bigger side and the smaller hole should be aligned with the smaller side. And then insert this bolt. Then lock this latch. And lock the latch. Okay, next step is to fix the leather tube structure with the base together. Also use the joint to connect the two parts with each other. And then this step is finished. Next step is to install the clamp. The clamp is used to lock the panels. The length of the clamp is adjustable. Please make sure the screw is tightened. Make sure the clamp can touch the panel. And then use the screws to lock the panels and the clamp with each other. And then tighten this screw to fix the links of this clamp. Now we will use another clamp to catch the panels. And then you don't need another person to support the panel. The panel can stand very stably. Okay, you see the panel can stand very stably now. Please use the joint to connect the base with the leveling beam together one by one. Okay, next step is to install the supporting bar. When you install the supporting bar, please make sure the supporting bar will catch the ladder tube from top to down. And then the installation is finished. For the rest steps, please just repeat the previous steps. So this is just the simple installation process, and now I will show you the final finished product. Let's move to next place. You see, this is our final finished products, the LED screen with the ground support structure together. We suggest to add extra column weight to make the whole structure stand more stable. Our ground support structure is with full aluminum, so it is rust-proof and corrosion resistant, and also because it is full aluminum, it is with high precision and can reach great flatness. So if you are interested in our ground support structure and interested in our LED display, welcome to contact us. We are always here to be at your service. Bye-bye.